Flame went high, and I don't ever want it to stay the same.
Hey everybody, this is going to be a voiceover, as you guys could already tell. Yes, this is an eyebrow tutorial, as you guys can tell by the title, and yes, I'm drinking coffee. I've definitely slowed down a bit, so that's good. Let's just get into this. Here is what my eyebrows look like right now. Now, the eyebrow method that I'm showing you, I don't always use this because I just frankly don't always have the time. But today I got time, so I'm showing you what I'm going to be using. So you can use a pencil, gel, pomade, whatever you like. I'm going to be using a pencil and a gel from NYX. You're going to need an angled eyeliner brush and a spoolie. And you're also gonna need a rounded or a flat brush. This is optional. You don't have to use this e.l.f. eyebrow gel, but yeah, I got it. Tweezers and a razor. Angled tweezers. These are by the brand Diane. Got these from my beauty supply store. Love them. You're gonna also need some small scissors and concealer of your choice or foundation. And lotion. Forgot. You're going to need lotion. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and brush my eyebrows upward. And then I'm going to use those scissors to cut any of the long stray hairs that I may have. And then I'm going to brush my eyebrows down and do the same exact thing. Just cut those hairs. And just brush everything away. Now, I put lotion on my eyebrow because you never want to go into your skin with just a razor and nothing there. Like, ugh, that's bad. You're going to cut yourself. So that's why I have the lotion there, so that I can just use this razor and get any of these crazy stray hairs. And now after I'm done that, any other hairs that I may have missed with the razor, I'm gonna go in with my tweezers and just get those out of there. Sometimes I don't like to get so close with the razor because if I'm not paying attention, I will literally end up like cutting the little bit of my eyebrow off. So you're gonna need 3 points to get the good eyebrows, okay? 3. Starting here, you put the brush closely against your nose. That's where your eyebrow should start. If you do it diagonal, that's where your arch should be, or highest point. And then if I put the brush closest to the end of my eye, that's where my eyebrow should end. So if you follow those steps, you'll have pretty good eyebrows for the most part. I'm gonna start my eyebrow off using this dark brown pencil from Wet n Wild. And now I'm gonna take that angled eye brush and just spread the product. There's no product on the brush. I'm just using the brush to spread out that product as much as I can. And I am bringing my eyebrow a little bit further than where it should be, but I'm doing that just so I can get a gradient effect. And in the end, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe some of that off, so don't worry. I know it's a little further than where the start point should be. I'm just using that spoolie and spreading the product and just getting it to where I want it to be. And here is where I would use the clear gel just in the front to give it more of a gradient effect, but I lost that clip, I'm sorry. All right, so now I'm going in with that NYX gel, and I'm using the box to put the product on, and then I'm just gonna dip my brush in and apply it to my eyebrow. Now this gel, I'm only gonna use this towards the middle and end of my eyebrow. I don't use it on the beginning of my brow because it's a little too dark and I have to do too much work to fade it out. This product does dry down matte, so you don't have to like set it with any translucent powder or anything like that. If you want to, you can, but I usually do not. So now that both eyebrows are done, they're pretty much neat, but I'm gonna go in with the concealer just to clean them up and make them look extra sharp and neat. So applying that concealer to the back of my hand, I am going to pick it up on that brush, and as you guys can see, this concealer is a little bit lighter than my skin tone, which is pretty cool because it gives me that fresh, like I just got my eyebrows waxed look. And like I said, it helps clean everything up. And guys, don't be afraid to go in with your fingers. It's the best tool that you have, and it just blends everything out so nicely. And you should just try it. Trust me, it's gonna work. Now for the top of my eyebrow, I'm going in with that NYX concealer, and this is a closer color to my skin tone. That's why I'm using this one for the top of my eyebrow. And again, I'm going back and forth with my fingers and the brush to just make sure everything is blended. And now, here is the finished look. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.